that is 4K at 60 frames per second on both. Now I'm going to switch them to 1080 at 60 frames per second and see how it turns out. That was 1080 at 60 frames per second. Let's view this and see what it looks like. Okay, what do y'all think? I think the GoPro wins hands down, but only because the stabilization is a whole lot better than the iPhone. And it's a whole lot smaller, of course. As far as the picture quality, I think the iPhone and the GoPro are pretty close. I don't see a whole lot of difference. Now, right here at we're watching right now, I've got it set on 5K, which is a whole lot better resolution. But now here's the iPhone. Look how it's shaky. It just don't have the right amount of stabilization built in it to keep it all smooth like the GoPro does. But other than that, if I was to stop, I mean, the picture would be great. And here's the GoPro. Just look how much better as far as the video being stable when you're going up through here. And this is pretty rocky where I'm riding up through here, pretty bumpy. The iPhone just couldn't handle it. It was a little jittery and shaky, but this thing, it does a good job. And this is back on the bonus footage. This is a GoPro set at 5K 30 frames per second. I just wanted to do this just to see what it looked like. From what I see, if anybody's wondering if you need a GoPro over your cell phone or something, if you're out here riding, from what I'm seeing, I would say yes, because they are a whole lot better when it comes to stabilization on an ATV or something like that. So yes, I would say you'd need one over an iPhone or Android, something. They're just not made for this sort of stuff. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little test I did with the iPhone and the GoPro. This is the first GoPro I've ever had, and I just wanted to do a quick little test to just see what I'd been missing out on, because I've been using my cell phone most of the time when I did stuff like this, ATV riding or something like that. But this thing is a whole lot better than the cell phone when it comes to stabilization. So it's like that old saying, if you ain't never had it, You don't know what you're missing, but now that I've got it and I've tried it, I know what I've been missing, and this is what I want to use from now on. As far as when it comes to riding an ATV or something where I need a lot of in-body stabilization, like action camera or something. And this is a GoPro Hero 9 Black. I think they actually go up to 12 or something now. So I'm really liking this camera. I think, gosh, if anybody wanted to buy it right now, I think it's half the price of one of the new ones. So I'd say go for it. Give it a try. I know there's a lot of videos out there comparing both of these, but I just thought it'd be helpful if I put together a quick little video so we could compare the two of these. Well, like I said, I hope this is helpful to someone, and I thank you for watching the video. And guys, if you'd like, check out my channel, and if it's stuff you're interested in, I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel. And I thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video, and God bless you.